Hello guys, today let's talk about this safety relay from Siemens. So this one is very nice safety relay. So we have 4 outputs, 2 relay outputs, 2 solid relay outputs, and 2 timer. You can set your timer here. The time is from 0.5 to 30 seconds. And then you have you need this reset button. When there is a fault, when the fault is detected, either on this emergency stop button or that one, so the alarm will be activated, and then 10 seconds after, you can see here the setting is on 10. After 10 seconds, you will this relay will shut down the circuit breaker. After that, you need to reset before to use your system. So let's try it. Okay, good. So I will try to simulate a fault like this one. You can see the fire is activated. After 10 seconds, we lose the power, because this relay will send a current to the MX coil to stop the circuit breaker. Now, when the fault is removed, you need to press on this reset switch to get everything back to normal. Okay, so let me show you the wiring diagram in case you need to do the same. You can see, I don't know if you can see well. Okay, on the wiring diagram you can see only one circuit or one emergency stop. So just use 2 emergency stop and put the number 2 on this number 21 and 22, so you can get 2 sensor, 2 barrier, or 2 emergency stop. And then you have those 2 timer. To get the timer, you need to put the line on 37 and 47, and then you will get your output on 38 and 48. You also have 2 relay on line 14 and 24. So to get this line activated, you need to put the line on 30 and 20 and 23 if you need to use those two relay. Okay guys, I will put some comment on the description in case you need more detail. You can text me. Bye guys.